So, is it a manufacturing or a design fault? No, my loss of signal problem was neither of those things. It was good old human error, which I do enough myself anyway to not hold it against them. Let me show you what Larlo did in their factory, and I did not even notice it when I was doing the unboxing. And in my defense, none of you did too either. So we're all at fault on this one. To be clear, there is nothing wrong with this car. The two loss of signals I had was because of, as I said, a simple human error. Check this out. Look what they've done. They firstly bent the antenna, which is no good. And then they've strapped it to the light wires here. I thought it was the servo wires, but I didn't remember that. So they've done it to the light wires here, and that's just going to cause interference. What should have happened is that this antenna should have been all the way along here, giving a nice strong signal. So Larlo have promised to check all of their cars, their customer cars, before they're shipped out. But as backup, ladies and gents, just double check that your car doesn't have this happening. If it does, quickly just snip that off and have it running along. I will do it here. Be careful not to obviously damage the antenna while doing it. I'd rather lose one of the lights than I would the antenna. You see how much it was bent here? Oh no, look at that. So it should be all the way along like this. It clearly was not. So if we had that much signal, thinking about it positively, if we had that much signal when it was bent, we're going to have more than enough for the 200 km/h speed run. So the damage is as such. Take a look at that. This is obviously all snapped off. And these bits, this was off, the receiver was off, and the ESC and the power button has come off. That should be easy to put back into position, he says. Come on, please. Nope, I need to put some new tape on that. I'd rather have new tape than just try and jimmy that, and obviously the power switch will go on that one there. So the issue is, that's all of the actual physical damage I can see. Not even the shock tower was damaged here. But I don't know about the rear here, because it's binding a little bit here. So I wanted to, on camera, I've not checked this myself. Let's see that there. One thing to note as well, just before I turn it on, is obviously you can see slight damage here, but look at the bumper underneath, the kink that's been created by that impact. So, I mean, that's not even scratched. At 121, that's 75 miles an hour, crash into the concrete wall, and that's... Right, okay. So we need a battery, and we need to find the power button. So, steering, I could turn that up a little bit now just to make sure that everything's working. So yes, and accelerate, obviously check all four wheels. Now, 1, 2, 3. I'll feel if that one's turning. You see this one here? Definitely something wrong there, so I need to look at that as well. I'm not going to be doing the repair video today because the video will be far too long. I just had to get out to you guys so that you understand and don't start cancelling your orders thinking it's a bad car, that it was just a simple mistake. So have faith in Larlo. They acknowledged straight away there was a problem. They started to investigate straight away. I sent loads and loads of pictures. They wanted internals of the receiver. They wanted to see where the antenna was fixed in the receiver, etc., etc. But as soon as they saw that the antenna was all bound up there, they're like, we found it, it's that. And I'm like, how obvious. How silly of me. So, all fixed, don't panic. Have a great day. Subscribe to the channel for obviously a lot more AK 917, yeah, good videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.